We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M375 printer. We're going to show you how to pull up the status supplies page, how to get that printed, and it'll kind of just help let you know when you're going to need a new toner or kind of where your toner levels are at. So it's a really simple process. On the top far right of your menu screen, you'll see a little black dotted triangle button right at the top of the screen. Go ahead and push that button. And then once you do, you'll see it actually shows you a visual representation of all your toners and approximately where there are on like a little status bar. And if that tells you what you need to know, then you're good from there. But if you'd like a little bit more information, you can hit the report button at the bottom of that screen, and that's going to print out your supply status page. And on the supply status page, it's going to give you a lot of useful information that can help make you a little bit better of a decision on if you're going to need toner soon or any kind of thing like that. So here we have our supply status page. It shows you a full percentage status bar for each of your toners, and then it also gives you an approximate pages printed and pages left on each cartridge. So it kind of gives you a ballpark idea of where you are with your toner, how many pages have been printed, and how many pages you have left. So that should help you make a decision on how soon you're going to need any kind of toner or if anything needs to be changed. Also, if you're not getting a status bar for your toner, and if you're just getting an attention warning, then that means you're probably under 10% on that toner and it's time for it to be replaced. In which case, feel free to give Onyx a call and we can help you out with that supply. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.